Hey guys, welcome to the first video in this HuggingFace playlist. This one here will be an introduction to what we're going to cover and the HuggingFace platform. So HuggingFace is pretty much just GitHub, but for machine learning models and machine learning in general. I'm going to cover all the different aspects of the HuggingFace platform, all the different modules that they have, all the different libraries and so on, how you can use it, what they are, how to use it easily and use it in real world AI. So HuggingFace is doing a pretty good job in the open source world. So I'm going to cover a bunch of different things, both for different domains of AI and machine learning. We have natural language processing, computer vision, also how you can start to combine all of that, the different libraries that they have. So they have a transformer library, dataset library, they have Gradeo demos and so on that you can build on top of it, how you can do research, look up new models. They have the models registry where you basically just store all the models. You can pull them down, use them in a few lines of code with their pipelines. So it's really easy to use HuggingFace with a few lines of code. You can actually have machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing models up and running. So just jump straight into the HuggingFace platform and see the platform on a higher level, and then we will dive into each individual part of it in separate videos. So this is the main page for the HuggingFace websites. Up here at the top we have models, so it's basically just a whole model registry, tons of models out there, like pretty much all models available out there. You can find them in here. We have datasets, so you can use datasets directly in here. You can pull them, connect them together with the models, do inference, spin up models, endpoints, and use them in your own custom applications and projects. We also have the spaces here to explore new models, explore demos with Gradeo. So you basically just have a very simple interface that you can share with your colleagues, team members, and so on for the models and projects that you're working on. So immediately when I wake up, I take out my phone, go into the HuggingFace platform, and then I go inside the daily papers to check out the previous day. What are the new papers coming out? Maybe I missed a day. I'll go back in time, can see comparison, what are the most upvoted ones and so on as well. So I basically just use this tool to stay up to date. What is popular right now? What are the newest research coming out? And this is a really cool feature. So here you can see they also have upvotes. You can submit papers in here as well. But again, you can see all the daily papers, the most popular ones coming out every single day. So I'm just scrolling through it, reading the titles. Once you have done this for weeks and even months, you start to get a feeling of where is the research actually going, what is the direction for different domains, could be large language models, computer vision, and so on. So here we have July 4th. We can go back in time. You can just keep on scrolling, see all the research papers coming out. They say that, okay, this is pretty interesting. You can then tap into it, read the abstract. You can save them for later or go directly in and read the research papers. I have tons of videos about how to read those as well in the most effective way and so on, how you can use AI to make yourself more productive, efficient, and also just ask it questions side by side. So this is pretty cool. Definitely go in and check this out. I haven't been able to find a tool that comes anywhere near the HuggingFace daily papers to stay up with the newest technologies, trends of research, and the direction AI is going. And if we just cover the docs quickly, we have the transformer module, diffusers, dataset, Gradeo, hub. So those are the main modules and frameworks that we're going to cover throughout this playlist. All of this in here, it will pretty much be impossible to cover in all details, but they have very nice documentation, so definitely go in and read about that as well. Here we're just going to cover the main parts, how you can use that, connect everything together. So we have the model tab. Over here to the left, we can see all the different domains. So we have multimodalities, computer vision, natural language processing, audio, tabular, reinforcement learning, and so on. And you can see each of the individual subfields and sub areas within those domains. So for computer vision, we have tons of different subdomains: depth estimation, image classification, update detection, image segmentation, and so on. Pretty much every single domain and sub area is covered in here. And if you just hit one of them, let's go inside depth estimation, it's just going to show you all of the different models available in here. We have 102 models available for depth estimation. So you can pull the models directly in here. You just specify the path as if you're cloning a GitHub repository, specify the path with the pipelines, and it will just load the model automatically so you can use it in your own applications and projects. But that's for another video. We have the models, we have a bunch of data sets available in here. You can pull them directly as well with just specifying the path. So we pretty much just need to take each individual component, test out different models, glue them together, and then build systems around it, which is the direction AI is going and just machine learning in general. where we actually want to do useful stuff out in the real world. We also have the spaces here. I use that on a daily basis as well, just to figure out what are the new models, go through some quick demos, see we can just drop in some images, get the results on the right side. They even have some examples, but in here you can pretty much just see everything available. You can sort them by spaces of the week, trending, most liked, and so on. You can even search for them. Let's just go inside this schema 2. So it's just a random one. It's going to open up this Gradio demo where you can do a bunch of different stuff. They have examples down here. You can press on them, simple interface, we submit it, and then we get the response back. We can both use this for chatbots, computer vision applications, pretty much everything. Have the models, we have the data set, we have demos, spin all of it up, glue it together, and this is the HuggingFace platform. So I'm really excited for it to just jump into it and show you guys all the different possibilities that you can do with HuggingFace. After you have been through this whole playlist, you'll get a way better understanding of what is the HuggingFace platform, why is it so powerful, and also how we can use it, because we don't have to write a lot of code. They have most of it available out there. It is very well supported, open source, few lines of code, and we're building machine learning applications and projects. If you want to get into an AI career, you should definitely check out my AI career program. The program is basically all my experiences from how I went from an average student to where I am today. The program consists of 3 main categories. We have my technical courses, my personal branding course, and then the AI career path. We have a whole community in there with like-minded people supporting each other, and every week we will have weekly live calls where I support and help all of you guys. Over time, more courses, resources, code templates, and so on will be added to the program. You will get lifetime access. So the sooner you join, the more value you will get for your money. Let me help you take your AI career to the next levels.